Your YouTube videos are probably dying before people even click on them. Not because your content is bad, not because the algorithm hates you, but because your thumbnails are not good enough. Yeah, right now big YouTubers are spending hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars on thumbnails designed to get clicks, while small creators are stuck wasting hours in Canva copying random templates. And here's the scary part: it does not matter how good your video is anymore. If your thumbnail is weak, your click-through rate will also be bad. That means YouTube will simply stop pushing your videos and your video will never go viral, which also means someone with worse content but a better thumbnail will beat you every single time. But today that changes, because now with AI you can generate better thumbnails than 99% of YouTubers in just minutes in your own exact style. With this AI tool, you can create high click-through rate thumbnails like split screen thumbnails, storytelling thumbnails, action thumbnails, face reaction thumbnails, cinematic thumbnails, and object focused thumbnails. Basically every thumbnail style that top YouTubers are using to pull in millions of views right now. And it doesn't matter what niche you're in. It could be tech, business, storytelling, tutorials, gaming, or even documentaries. This AI can generate thumbnails that look clean, cinematic, clickable, and professionally designed within minutes. My name is Charles. Let's go. So how do you compete with these big creators like Mr. Beast, Imangazi, and the rest? Well, either you learn Photoshop from scratch or spend roughly around $300 to get a designer to create thumbnails for you, or simply use AI to copy or create any type of thumbnail you want. Now, let me say this. ChatGPT is not really great for creating thumbnails. Nope. It gives you basic AI images. But what if I told you there's an AI tool, a new AI thumbnail maker that can generate thumbnails better than any AI tool I've seen out there? This is called Keoo AI. Now with Keoo AI, you can recreate any thumbnail you want, swap your face or anyone else's face on thumbnail, and even create completely fresh and unique thumbnails in your own style. For example, I created this thumbnail and I haven't done any sort of editing in Photoshop, Canva, or whatever. So here's how to create it. Head over to Keoo AI, and then down here where you see YouTube tools, click on it, and then we click thumbnail designer. I'm going to leave the link to Keoo AI in the description of this video. Now, there are 3 methods that can help you create powerful thumbnails with high click-through rates. The first one, you just enter your link here and generate. Second one, you generate with the second magic style. And then the third one, you use the reference image to generate. I'm going to show you how to use this method to generate thumbnails that will get people to click your video. So let me show you the first method. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to enter your YouTube video link, title or idea, or just leave it blank. You don't need to do this, right? So here what I'm going to do is enter the title, 300 days. So under background assets, you can just enter anything you want to see in the thumbnail background, or you could just leave it blank. So here I can say forest and leave it there. Next, I choose the thumbnail style. If I want the title to be at the right, left, bottom, top, or any random style, I could just choose. So what I want is the title to be at the top here. So I'm going to choose this one here and scroll down. The next step is to upload your image. So let's say the video is about you. You're going to upload the person's image here or your image. Click here. Here I have my image uploaded, and the next is reference image. Now we are going to leave this blank because we are going to cover this in the third method. So you don't need to touch this for this first method. Next, we are going to upload additional images. But for this particular thumbnail, I don't think I'm going to do that. I'm going to leave this blank. And then the final one is additional information. Let's say you want a particular context around the thumbnail. You're going to write it here. Here, I've provided the context of what I want to see on the thumbnail. So I said, man fighting a white tiger, pulling its mouth open. In this box here, you can also add anything you feel would make sense on your thumbnail. Here, you can also specify the look, feel, and other things you want to see on the thumbnail. For example, if you want the title to be yellow, you can say, make the title yellow, and then it's going to make it. But for this time, I'm going to leave it like this. The AI would understand based on image I've uploaded, based on the vibe of your video and give a color that matches the thumbnail. Now, once we have this, we are going to click generate. And in less than 1 minute, we have our thumbnail ready. I can just download this or copy the link. Now, if you look at this thumbnail, the title is well placed, well positioned at the top the way we want, and the characters are positioned below. Beautiful. You can see the tiger not happy with me opening the mouth. Remember, for the background assets, we mentioned that we wanted forest, and the provided forest in the background. Now, what if you want to create something like this that has logos attached to them? The type of thumbnail that you see a lot of logos. Here's what you do. I'm going to change this title. Let's say I want to title this AI agents, and then for the background assets, I'm going to say room studio, then come down here, and then for the thumbnail style, I'm going to leave it at the top here, structure 4, leave my image uploaded, and then here where it says additional images, what I'm going to do is upload the images of the logo that I want to add to the thumbnail. Here I've uploaded ChatGPT and Claude. So I'm going to enter this additional information here and then click generate. And again, we have our thumbnail ready. You can see I'm holding the logo for ChatGPT and the logo for Claude. What I like is how it placed this text behind my back of my head. It makes it look good. Also, I entered here room studio, got it just as I want. So what if I want this to be a close-up shot and also change the top? So here I've added close-up shot, black t-shirt. Let's see what it does. And just like that, we have this thumbnail. It looks good. The text placement is on point. The logos, the background, everything looks good and it matches. The color blend is absolutely phenomenal. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, you're missing on a lot of value. So subscribe, like, and drop a comment. Now, Keoo AI is intelligent that it allows you to create your own thumbnail by just entering a YouTube link. So what we are going to do is remove all these things we have here and paste the YouTube video link. I don't need to enter a title. I don't need to enter a background asset, nothing. The only thing I'm going to do is to choose the thumbnail style, which I can leave it at random and have my image uploaded. I don't need to do any other thing. The next thing is just to generate. And just like that, we have this YouTube thumbnail. So it looked at the YouTube video, understood what the video is about, came up with a title, and then came up with a thumbnail. This is mind-blowing. So before I continue, Higgsfield just launched Supercomputer, and this might be the most powerful AI creator system on the internet right now, and it's insane. Now, this is an autonomous content and marketing engine designed to operate like an entire creative team. So you don't need to spend hours researching trends, planning, scripting, creating, and editing content, and even publishing. So if I click on Supercomputer inside Higgsfield, I can just auto-run the supercomputer to continuously produce content that I want, or just connect Higgsfield to the MCP server directly inside Claude and let my AI agent generate, edit, and ship creatives automatically inside my workflow. So to auto-run the supercomputer inside Higgsfield, enter your prompt, choose the model, then hit run. But before that, you can decide whether you want to approve every step before it generates so that you don't waste credit generating hundreds of content. You can also choose auto run without asking, which will automatically run the machine without you confirming the actions. And once you hit run, boom, your content is ready. You can also run this inside Claude by connecting Claude to Higgsfield MCP, and it can do some crazy stuff like viral post replication, where it reverse engineers viral videos and rebuilds them for your niche, a trending database that tracks rising TikTok trends, a content factory that keeps generating content automatically, and even a review to ad engine that runs customer reviews into ad creatives. You can even ask it to become your AI CMO. Just describe your product and it generates audience targeting, launch strategies, ad creatives, funnel content, testimonial ads, social posts, and full distribution plans. It can even pull emotional language from customer reviews and transform them into high converting ad creatives automatically. Honestly, this feels less like an AI tool and more like having an autonomous marketing team running 24/7. So I'm going to leave the link to Higgsfield in the description of this video so you can try it for yourself. Now, the second method works well in creating high click-through rate thumbnails. So when creating thumbnail with this second method, you have full creative freedom. You can generate a thumbnail without text, just like I've done here. For this method, you can leave all this empty and just enter your idea here. For this one, I want to generate a thumbnail where a woman is lying on a desert floor, stretching her hand, with torn clothes and all that. Here, I'm going to include this, no text, no title, so it will generate without adding a text. And boom, we have this. Now, this looks good. We can edit this ourselves and then add a title here. Now, why is she placed by the side? This is because we chose this thumbnail style, so she's placed by the left. If we want her to be placed at the center, then we can just place her at the center right here. So we are going to generate this again. This time around, we have at the center, and here we have another thumbnail without the text. Now, this is what you can do with this. If you download this, you can add text on your own. Let's say you want to have complete control of the text that appears on the thumbnail. And then once we have this image, we can then take it to Keoo Image Editor, remove the background, expand it, or even add a text on it. So what I'm going to do is to click Image Editor, upload the image, and then once we have the image uploaded here, I click on this select. Here, we can remove the background, upscale, or even extend the canvas. Let's say I want to add a text at the top here and there's no space. I'll just pull this down after clicking on extend canvas, pull this down here, and then click extend canvas, click autofill. And here we have this autofilled. So once we've created a space at the top, we can add text or remove the background. So let's say I want to remove this background. I can remove the background and make this better. And boom, we have the background removed. So you can use this and edit the thumbnail, add text to it. You can also create thumbnail with yourself and other people in it, just like I've done here with me and Elon Musk taking a picture in front of the pyramid. And I generated another one with me and Ronaldo in a cave. Now, every single one of these thumbnails comes from videos with millions of views, and they all share one thing in common. They were created by professional thumbnail designers charging hundreds and sometimes thousands of dollars for just one thumbnail. But now, AI is changing the game completely, because with Keoo AI, you can take viral thumbnail styles from top creators and generate your own unique version in just seconds. So to do this, I'm going to take a screenshot of this thumbnail here. We have the reference image uploaded and we have my image uploaded. Now we don't need to enter title this because it's not going to take it onto your account. It is just going to give you the exact type of image that is in the reference image. So what you can do that would help is to add additional information here, like change the text from day 67 to day 100, or change the shirt to black, or change the background. You can just specify the change or the angle that you want to change the thumbnail to. Now, for example, I'm going to say change the shirt to red and the text from day 67 to no way out, and then generate. And boom, we have this image right here that looks exactly like the reference image, but here the shirt is changed to red, and instead of day 67 it says no way out. Beautiful. So you can use this to recreate any thumbnail. And here you can see what it did. It added me to this image. It created it in another unique way. This time around, it has Mr. Beast by the left and Speed by the right. And here we have this generated from this image here of Mr. Beast in an airplane. So we recreated it to a submarine. Now, this also works for thumbnails that have any form of infographics or design. And here I uploaded this image and then it recreated it to this thumbnail here that looks similar but not exactly the same, because you don't want to copy the exact thing, you want to create something similar. As you can see here, I uploaded this image that looks very good and it says boring way. What I did was to say change boring way to grow fast. He's wearing a black t-shirt, and then it redesigned it, even made it look better, and changed the text to growing fast with my face on it and wearing a black shirt. This is what it looks like. Beautiful. This is crazy. Speechless. You would pay a graphic designer over $100 for something like this. Look at these AI generated thumbnails. It's obvious that Keoo AI gives small creators a huge advantage over most YouTubers still trying to design thumbnails manually. If you have been finding it difficult to create thumbnails that actually grab attention and get clicks, this tool can help you generate high quality, viral looking thumbnails in just minutes, even if you have no design skills. So sign up on Keoo AI and start making thumbnails that actually stand out and get clicks. You're just one thumbnail away from your next viral video. I'll leave the link to Keoo AI in the description of this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, you're missing on a lot of value. So subscribe, like, and share this video. I'll see you in this video here.